Alright, market just opened about 57 seconds ago. Happy day 48 of day trading the market open. We are going to wait till we get some clear front side. I've been struggling the last few days trying to get a little too aggressive a little too soon, so we're going to wait unless we get a nice panic flush, I suppose. And it'll be back to normal. Got KTTA moving, PRFX moving. PRFX is a recent runner, or a previous runner, I suppose. Probably a better term for that is previous runner. ICCT's moving. Halt down KTTA is 143. Halt down on PFRX is 228. So very close to the lower band. Oops. What was that about? Weird. Okay. Let's see what happens. KTTA. Not going to take a backside bear trap. PFRX, same goes for you, boy. I'm gonna wait till we see real clear direction. PFRX halt down, drop to 226, 228. I mean, 324 is this pivot. Pre-market high is 360. Halt down, move up to 232 for PFRX. See what else is moving. ELAB, ICCT, KTTA, MACD trying to curl. Here we go. See if it cracks 2. No love at 2. Halt downs at 143. Just for reference. Pre-market high 225. This might get wicked. RL. Nope, penny stock. Penny stock, but look at that. Lower band bounce. PFRX testing 324 again. Rejection off of 324. KTTA, trying to get that EMA above VWAP. Needs to crack 2. And then this little wall here at 205. Pressure on 2. There's the break. Let's see if it holds. 201, 2, 202. Question is if this goes down, test lower band. Will I have the ability to get out if it gets to here? Will I be fast enough? Watch and see if that halt level moves down. Halt level hasn't moved yet. Rejection on KTTA in that zone that we had marked up. Halt down on PRFX hasn't moved down yet. All right, candle got bought up on KTTA, not the whole thing, partial, about halfway. All right, KTTA, MACD's trying to go front side here. See how it reacts to 205. Ooh, another pretty nasty wick. And another rejection. PRFX. Pressure on this floor here, around 250. Halt down's at 232. Halt down's not moving. This is, I mean, if I take that trade at 239, I could very easily get stuck in a halt down. I don't think that's a risk I want to take right now. I'm watching that halt level, and this is starting to bleed towards that, so I don't think I'm going to mess with that. I don't think I'm going to mess with that. WHLR. I think we got to just stick with KTTA for now. Unless this comes up, test VWAP, and flushes back down. Oh, halt level dropped by 2 cents. Halt level dropped by 2 cents. That's not, it's not really enough. Well, yeah, it could be, maybe. Depends on how hard it crashes, I suppose. Dang, market down 2% today. Halt down 152 on KTTA. I'm just kind of chilling in this range right here. See if this pushes. That's a 1 minute to make a new high over 193. Let's see. Let's see what she does here. Halt level moved down to 226. PFRX. Might have the most bang for my buck here, but this is also backside trading. Small buyer at 260. KTTA up near that area again. More PFRX. More, dude. More. It's not close enough. Not close enough for the last few days I've been having. Oh. Halt down, moved on to 211. Ooh, KTTA. Break at 205. Rejection back under 205. Flirting with it now. Tug of war. No bounce here for PFRX. It's pretty gross. Now it's bleeding towards that area here. Back to KTTA. Oh, man. Ended up being a decent bounce, huh? 240 to 250. 50 Tyson. All right, not too much great action going on. Not too much great action going on. So we wait. We wait. Let's go back to the daily level on the Qs and see what this is looking like. Yo, yesterday's candle was crazy. Absolute crazy. %13 move. Got an alert. What's moving? Let's click through some of these other ones. Ooh, gross. ELAB. Smacked under lower band and also 200-day moving average. ICCT forming an interesting little flag pattern here. Oops. I don't know why I've been mapping this out. I'm not going to trade this stock. See what happens here. It's kind of at an inflection point. Ooh, KTTA bounced again, boy. 186. This is definitely providing some range in between here. Small buyers at 205. Ooh, are they getting eaten? Yep, they sure did. Ouch, went from 205 to 2. Oh, MACD is trying so hard to get back green. Looks like it is turquoise. Whoa, let's go. Talk about some pressure build up there from 2 to 234. Not taking this 1 minute to make a new high. Is already kind of extended on that candle. Some sellers coming in, some more sellers. Sellers got bought at 218 there. Small buyers 222. Trying to get focused in on this thing. High of day 234. Small sellers at 230 won that battle. All down 168. This is no longer. From reading the book Trading in the Zone, that's why you take, the book tells you to take every single one of the same opportunity, like whatever your strategy is, take it every single time, because you don't know how it's going to resolve. Yeah, you might lose some, you might win some, but you don't know how high it might go if it works. Come on, more. Take that. Yeah, I will take that. And I'm going to try to take half risk off based on the... Oh man, this is going to go red on me. Tried to capture some profit just based on the last few days. Let's see, there we go, half off. So I'm feeling pretty good about this trade. 195 is the low of that candle there. I'll cut it if it gets under 2. Cut the rest if it gets under 2. Oop, it's under 2. All right, $20 green day. How do I feel about that? I feel nothing. I guess, I'm happy to be back in the green, but man, yesterday I watched that video over again, and it's just like, I don't know why I revert back to those rookie mistakes of just sitting there and watching the P&L go down, 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 down. I know it's kind of a derivative of only having one trade. I get that. Of having a small account, I get that. I understand that. But at the same time, I'm trying to prove to myself, and quite frankly, I think I'm ready for a margin account again. Because I used to have a margin account, but I liquidated it when I had a family to pay for, baby stuff. I'm trying to build back the confidence to get back to this place that I was before. In trades like yesterday, that's just not a confidence builder. So, what did we take here? We took a front side panic flush, VWAP flush right there. And that's all she wrote. Looks like PFRX might be curling here. But that's it for me. Thank y'all for being here. Much appreciated. Back in the green. Hopefully we breaks the streak. Put a little confidence under our belt. And fake break out there for PFRX or PRFX or whatever. Be good to each other. Spread love. I'm out of here. Peace.